Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, I will be discussing the difference between positive evidence and negative evidence. Positive evidence. Positive evidence exists when the witness affirms in the stand that a certain state of facts does exist or that a certain event happened. For example, Juan testified that he saw Pedro burn the house of Carlo on a specific date and time. This testimony is a positive evidence. Negative evidence. Negative evidence exists when the witness states that an event did not occur or that the state of facts alleged to exist does not actually exist. Evidence is negative when the witness states that he did not see or know the occurrence of a fact. For example, Juan testified that he did not see Pedro burn the house of Carlo on a specific date and time. This testimony is a negative evidence. The usual example of negative evidence are denial and alibi, such as when the accused presents witnesses who testify that the accused was at their party when the crime was committed. Denial as negative evidence. Denial is considered by the court to be a very weak form of defense and can never overcome an affirmative or positive testimony, particularly when the latter comes from the mouth of a credible witness. Denials, if unsubstantiated by clear and convincing evidence, are deemed negative and self-serving evidence, unworthy of credence. Thus, to be worthy of consideration at all, denials should be substantiated by clear and convincing evidence. What prevails, positive or negative evidence? It is a long-recognized general rule of evidence that all other things being equal, positive evidence is stronger than negative evidence. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.